An uncrewed Chinese spacecraft successfully landed on the surface of Mars on Saturday, state news agency Xinhua reported, making China the second space-faring nation after the United States to land on the red planet. The Tianwen-1 spacecraft landed on a site on a vast plain known as Atopia Planitia, leaving a Chinese footprint on Mars for the first time, the news agency further reported. Chinese President Xi Jinping issued a message of congratulations to all the people involved in the mission. You were brave enough for the challenge, pursued excellence, and placed our country in the advanced ranks of planetary exploration, the Chinese president said. Your outstanding achievement will forever be etched in the memories of the motherland and the people. The craft left its park orbit at about 5 GMT Friday, 1 Beijing time Saturday. The landing module separated from the orbiter 3 hours later and entered the Martian atmosphere, the official China Space News said. It further said the landing process consisted of 9 minutes of terror as the module decelerates and then slowly descends. The official landing time was 23:18 GMT, 7:18 Beijing time, Xinhua said. Citing the China National Space Administration, the rover took more than 17 minutes to unfold its solar panels and antenna and send signals to ground controllers more than 320 million kilometers away. The rover named Zhurong will now survey the landing site before departing from its platform to conduct inspections. Named after a mythical Chinese god of fire, Zhurong has 6 scientific instruments including a high-resolution typography camera. It will study the planet's surface, soil, and atmosphere. Zhurong will also look for signs of ancient life, including any subsurface water and ice, using a ground-penetrating radar. Tianwen-1 are questions to heaven after a Chinese poem written 2 millennia ago. Is China's first independent mission to Mars. A probe co-launched with Russia in 2011 failed to leave the Earth's orbit. The 5-ton spacecraft blasted off from the southern Chinese island of Henan in July last year, launched by the powerful Long March 5 rocket. After more than 6 months in transit, Tianwen-1 reached the red planet in Feb, where it had been in orbit since. If Zhurong is successfully deployed, China would be the first country to orbit, land, and release a rover in its maiden mission to Mars. Tianwen-1 was one of the 3 that reached Mars in Feb, with US rover Perseverance successfully touching down on Feb 18 in a huge depression called Jezero crater, more than 2,000 kilometers away from Atopia Planitia. China is pursuing an ambitious space program. It is testing reusable spacecraft and is also planning to establish manned lunar research station. In a commentary published on Saturday, Xinhua said China was not looking to compete for leadership in space, but was committed to unveiling the secrets of the universe and contributing to humanity's peaceful use of space.